So it's very similar to the normal business supply chain, but with different meaning. So you're going to look at the origin, and that's called upstream. And that means that if you generally want to, let's say, Apple wants to make the iPhones, they go to China, they procure the items, do the supply chain, and get them to the US to do the assembly, right? That's called the origin, where the materials are coming. From a refugee point of view, the refugees do not come with a clear view of where they end up. So they don't have a destination. They don't have a lot of resources because they have to leave home very quickly. So they don't plan whether I'm going to be in Germany or in the UK, or I'm going to be drowned in the Mediterranean Sea. So all of those possibilities are out there. You never know what happens. You just get out. And also, in contrast to the normal supply chain, you don't have resources to do contingency planning. You may just have some money together with you and just run. So that's the upstream situation. And then you have some what they call intervening set of obstacles. These are the midstream. So what happens on the way? So you're exposed to smugglers, you may be facing violence, you may not have access to clinics and hospitals, so everything that can go wrong, there is no way to actually protect yourself against that. Whereas in a normal supply chain, when we talk about the midstream, there's a lot of planning into it to make sure that that gets to the destination. So here you actually have every obstacles that may not let you come in.